It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, smart entry key, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.